Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the gold daily time frame chart. From this level the gold is in upward trend, and watch here where there were as a consolidation, it has a cord expansion from this day and from this day. So this consolidation was broken uh, with expansion. It did not consolidate too much. Just here remained and retested, and it is also expected now because we have a consolidation in these days also. So now this was the level that was broken, and now 1985 is also broken. It came down to retest this level near 1963. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, here when you may watch my previous gold analysis, in which this was the part where the market remained. But when it was distributed in hourly portion, now let us move to the 1-hour time frame to understand this concept. Now here let me show you that in this 4-hour consolidation, gold remained in this down portion, in buyer portions. Same way the gold has remained here in this portion, which is buyer. In this above portion it has not remained much. Now it has come to retest this, and now it is expected that it will go uh, uh, upward. Now let us move to the first of all the 4-hour time frame. Watch here in this 4 hours. Now this was the breakout. All the way it has come to retest this level, and now after breaking this level, it is high probability that it will keep going. Now where to buy at? Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame, and then now on the 1-hour time frame, this is somewhat resistance, but it won't, that it is not as strong as this support is. So it is retested. I think I don't. It will not come down right now. It is my analysis on the. Now let us move to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, what we have here on the 15 minutes time frame, this is same level that is on the hour time frame, but it is high probability that it will go up right now. Stop loss be under 1963, but if you have down, then you can put below 1953. Now let us move to the uh, 4-hour time frame for putting the long position. Now let me put the long position, buy gold from this level. Now let me put the long position here. If you want to long position from here, if you wait, you may find some. It's all up according to you, but the stop loss be either below this level 1963, but if you not comfortable with 1959, it is almost okay. We don't need to go for stop loss down to this level. So this is the entry, and now these are the stop losses options that you may like for you. Now for take profit options, let us move to the daily time frame, and in this scenario, now let me show you horizontal line here after this consolidation, which is this is too high. How we have to be, we have to put somewhere. Now let me adjust this, I had already watched it is the I think two near 2009 or 10. This is the level, this is the level 2009 or 11 whatsoever that level is, up to that level. Now if you want to take, then this is the first take profit, this is the level, and this is the uh, you may take third profit. Now on the 4-hour time frame, when we watch these levels, now this is the entry, these are the stop loss options. Now let us move to the, now this is the first take profit option, this is the second take profit option. In between you may have one also somewhere here, one take profit option. Now it is expected that it will expand to the 2009, then it may retest somewhere down, but even you can have one take profit up to this level 2018. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis, and please take care. This is a very risky market. This is my just analysis, and you may decide according to your own strategy. Bye for now.